place where we turn every awkward and used space into a stunning masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For most homeowners, the side yard is nothing more than a forgotten alleyway meant for trash cans, overgrown weeds and outdoor AC units. But what if we told you that this narrow, neglected strip of land holds the secret to unlocking your property's true potential? Today we are exploring the ultimate side yard landscaping ideas that will completely redefine how you look at your home's exterior. Whether you want to establish a functional stone pathway, plant a lush shade garden, or build a hidden seating retreat, we have the ultimate design inspiration to help you maximize every single square inch of your property. Side yard landscaping refers to the deliberate process of designing, hardscaping, and planting the narrow exterior spaces running along the sides of a residential home. Choosing to invest time and creativity into your side yard is incredibly rewarding because it eliminates dead zones and seamlessly connects your front entrance to your main backyard oasis. Instead of leaving it as an unappealing mud track or an overgrown eyesore, thoughtful landscaping transforms it into an inviting journey, utilizing vertical wall planters, gravel paths and shade-tolerant greenery to add tremendous curb appeal and monetary value to your property. By turning this transition area into a beautiful walkway or a functional utility zone, you create a cohesive exterior that feels completely polished, balanced, and deliberately designed. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here are the compilation of 15 best side yard landscaping design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, create a path. Create an inviting bridge between the front and back with a well-landscaped limestone path. On the right, rain barrels put the oft-overlooked space to work. Ensure your side yard is designed to accommodate easy maintenance. Objects like rain barrels should be placed strategically to not obstruct the walkway or other functional areas. 2. Link your front and backyards. If you've landscaped your front and backyard, link them with an attractive side yard garden. For the best effect, match the style and use some of the same plants on the side that you do in the front and in the back. Leave a partial view from the front to the back to create an illusion that makes your yard feel larger. 3. Create drama. Completely transform your side yard with eye-catching elements such as black bamboo, which serves as a stunning screen while providing elegant filtered shade. Pair it with steel planters brimming with asparagus fern for a striking textural contrast. This stylish combination requires very little upkeep, making it an ideal choice for busy gardeners. When selecting bamboo, consider clumping varieties like black bamboo that spread more slowly, preventing them from becoming invasive. 4. Decorate with containers. Spatter your side yard with containers if space is at a premium. If you securely attach them to walls, containers provide a wealth of color and texture. Plus, the right pots serve as works of art by themselves. Know exactly how much sun your area gets before setting out containers. 5. Leave yourself a work area. If you screen it with a fence or shrubbery, no one has to see your side yard. So it's a perfect place for a potting bench or makeshift nursery. Place new plants in holding beds until you decide where to put them or to start delicate new plants. Save space by storing old potting mix, tools, etc. under your potting bench. If you buy or build one with doors, you can hide these items from view when not in use so you can keep it tidy. 6. Make a room. This side yard has a distinct courtyard feel thanks to lush plantings around the edges. It's made even more fun thanks to geometric paving patterns and a bold focal point. A lush container garden. Pay special attention to your side yard's floor. The paving can create as much interest as any of the plantings. 7. Tame a slope. If you have a sloping side yard, make it easy to care for by getting rid of the grass. Simple paving options along with some low-maintenance plants make it a breeze to keep up and easy on the eyes. Keep your slope from eroding by starting out with a good layer of mulch or ground covers beneath your other plants. 8. Relax in privacy. Your side yard can become a beautiful, tranquil escape with a well-designed patio. Enjoy leisurely afternoons with a book or transform the space into a social nook for friends and family gatherings. Enhance privacy by installing a fence or a lush hedge and choose patio materials that resonate with your specific style. For additional seclusion, you can strategically plant tall shrubs or small trees to obstruct views from neighboring windows. 9. Add some style. Give your side yard a distinct feel from the rest of your landscape. With a couple of fences, you can create a lush cottage garden, a relaxing, contemplative garden, or a classic country garden, no matter what the rest of your yard looks like. If you're going to try a new garden style, use a fence or plant shrubs to create a visual barrier so your side yard doesn't clash with the rest of your landscape. 10. Grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs. It's fun to grow your own produce, but if you don't want a fruit or vegetable garden in the front or back, stick it on the side. Note: most fruits and veggies need at least 8 hours of direct sun a day. Save space by growing vines such as cucumbers, squash, or beans on trellises up the side of your house, a fence, or other structure. 11. Create a shady escape. A shaded side yard might seem like a hopeless situation, but you're not out of luck. Give yourself a secret, shady place to cool off and escape the hot summer sun. Make a path, then plant around it with shade-loving plants suited to your area. Use columnar trees to add shade and height without losing precious horizontal space. 12. Make a grand entrance. A narrow side yard is a great place for a pergola. Run it the entire length of the space or just in the very front to create a bold, welcoming look. 13. Run a dry stream. Keep water from collecting along your narrow side yard by forcing it out with a dry stream bed. Plus, it makes an attractive landscape feature in dry weather. Rescuing a neglected side yard doesn't require an enormous budget. It just takes a clear vision and a clever layout plan. By combining strategic paving materials with the right low-maintenance plants, you can effortlessly turn an awkward, narrow passage into one of the most charming features of your entire home. Take a step back, look at that blank canvas along your house, and think about how much more complete your outdoor living area will feel once every corner is utilized to its highest potential. If these side yard design ideas have inspired you to upgrade your outdoor space, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our Homes Decor Designs community. We want to hear from you, so drop a comment down below and let us know what your side yard looks like right now and which idea you want to try first. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly design tips, and we will catch you in the next video.